Hi, I will show you the game over logic with this project idea, shark and jellyfish in underwater backdrops. So the shark later will try to touch the jellyfish or accidentally touch the jellyfish and show game over message. So I have three sprites here: shark, jellyfish, and game over text. Alright, so I have a certain blocks here to set a coordinate of the first coordinate of the shark and jellyfish. So whenever I click the green flag, it will always turn or back to the default position. Now I'll need to make a condition to check the sensing or touching condition here. So touching jellyfish and set a condition control if next is the forever, so we can always check this condition if we touch the jellyfish, and then what will we gonna do with this condition. So what will I gonna do is I will switch the costume to make the shark like accidentally touch the jellyfish. Okay, so I will choose shark to C, and don't forget to set the costume back to normal, shark to A. This is the costume of shark to C. So you get my point, right? When the shark touches the jellyfish, then the face of the shark will be like this. Alright, now the next step we have to do is how do we make the game over text appear in our screen. So I believe there are many variations of the answer or solution for this case. So let me try to use broadcast here. So you can go to the events, broadcast. You can also change it or create a new message, okay, like game over. Okay, but it doesn't have to be game over. This is just an example. Game over. Next, and after that we'll have to receive the message of the message. So when I receive game over text, then show the sprite. So we also have show and hide in look section. Show, okay, and the logic is when I show the game over, when I get the game over text or message, I will show the sprite. So when I click the green flag, then it will hide. So start when in the beginning of the game over text will be hide. Okay, and the definition of the purpose of the broadcast message is when you broadcast this message, you can make the other sprite hear the broadcast, okay, or receive the broadcast. So that's why we use this broadcast message. So when I touch it, the sprite will receive this game over text. Sprite will receive the message, and that's the right time to show the game over text. Okay, so I will just drag the shark to the jellyfish to make the shark touch the jellyfish. So there you go. We got game over text here, and we successfully changed the costume of the shark. And when I try to click the green flag again, then it will turn everything to be normal again. For the final step, I guess we can hide the jellyfish. When I receive the same message, same broadcast, game over, then I will hide the jellyfish. So in this sprite jellyfish, we do the opposite. When I receive the game over, then we hide the jellyfish. But when I click the green flag, I need to show the jellyfish. It's really important to show the jellyfish, because if you hide or already play the game and you hide the jellyfish, so the jellyfish will never show again until you show it in a green flag click. Let's say like this, in green flag click, show the jellyfish. So anything that need to be hide, then you need to show it again if you want to show it in the screen, but if you want to hide it, then you can hide it with this hide block. That's it, how you make a game over logic. You can improve this game, like maybe you want to add a small fish to get a score or points, or the other obstacles. Is up to you. We have done for the game over specifically to talk about game over feature. Thank you very much.